Now what we're going to do is we're going to use this as sound masking. So imagine your neighbours are making noise and you come home, you don't want to put the TV on, you don't want to put that music on to try and mask out their sound, you just want to relax and maybe have a nice cup of tea and chill. You choose which tune you want. And it's got so many different tunes. It's got rainforests, campfires. I like the thunderstorm one. So what you do is you put the white noise machine where you think the noise is coming from. So in this case, we've got an alcove on the separating party wall. And then when you're sat down, you're not hearing that neighbour noise. You're hearing that sound from the white noise machine. It's masking the sound from your neighbours. So when you're sat down, you won't feel so stressed and irritated by that noise from the neighbours because you're hearing that white noise machine. Now this is not soundproofing, this is sound masking. It's certainly going to take the edge off, and this is available in my TikTok shop and you can have it in a few days. So if you're a tenant or can't make any alterations to your property or not ready for your soundproofing installation, maybe consider one of these white noise machines and use it for sound masking. Let me show you how it works.